Today we'll be discussing the 2015 year-end close procedures in Microsoft Dynamics GP 2015. A little bit about me. My name is Abby Barton, and I'm a Business Advantage Support Senior Associate at RAN Group. I have 3+ years experience with Microsoft Dynamics GP. This includes versions 8.0 all the way through 2015 R2. I've also been in the software support industry for 4+ years. A little bit about our Business Advantage team. We offer technical support, accounting support, and business management support. The second module to close in your year-end process will be Receivables Management. The purpose of closing Receivables Management is because it's date sensitive. The following items are updated based on the closing of receivables: the Smart List objects, Receivables Management summary reports, and the amount since last close view in the customer summary window. Here's a summary of the steps. Number 1, post all sales and receivables transactions for the year. Number 2, make a pre-year-end closing backup. Number 3, close the year. Number 4, close the fiscal periods. This is optional. Number 5, close the tax year. And finally, number 6, make a post-year-end closing backup. Let's review those steps in Microsoft Dynamics GP 2015. First, let's review what gets updated during the receivables year-end closing process. If you go to Cards, Sales, Summary, and we select one of our customers, the amounts in the year-to-date column here will be moved to last year, and it will update the life-to-date field. Also, if you go to Finance Charges, the amount in this window for year-to-date will have moved to last year, and the life-to-date will be updated. Then, if you go to your Smart List, Microsoft Dynamics GP Smart List, and we expand Sales, Customers, within this Smart List, you can add columns that will be updated during your year-end close, such as anything that has year-to-date after it, and also many of the life year-to-date fields will be updated. Some examples would be average days to pay per year, high balance year-to-date, total bad debit year-to-date, and total sales year-to-date. And these can all be found within the columns window. You can add this to any of your customer smart lists for review. Okay, so those are the things that will be updated during the year-end process. Let's begin our steps. Number 1 will be to post all transactions in the Receivables and Sales module. So I'm going to go to Master Posting, which is Microsoft Dynamics GP, Tools, Routines, Master Posting. I'm going to post any batches related to receivables or sales. Okay, and I'll get my sales batches here. And I don't need my invoice or full order. And I'll go ahead and post all of these. And for the sake of time, I'm just going to cancel all of the reports because I do not need them. But if you do need them, please feel free to print to your destination. So post anything for the year of 2015, and then anything else that you need to create for the new year, just leave and save in a batch. Do not post until after 2016. Okay, now that all my batches have posted, my second step will be to make a pre-year-end closing backup. I'm going to log into SQL, expand my databases, select my company, and create a backup. It is recommended that you name this backup Pre-Year-End Closing Backup 2015. And click OK. Okay, this is completed successfully. So now that we've made our pre-year-end backup, we're going to go ahead and close the year. In order to do so, go to Microsoft Dynamics GP, Tools, Routines, Sales, Year-End Close. So since I have not closed my calendar year and I want to close my fiscal year, I'm going to select All. If you've already previously closed your calendar year, you may select Fiscal Year. After processing this, the last closing date will be updated to the current date or the system date. I recommend that you keep a paper copy of the year-end report together with any permanent year-end audit records. So now I'm going to click Process. And I'm going to print this to screen. Okay. So this has been completed. I'm going to print. And I'm going to send a PDF. And then I'm going to print this report and send a PDF as well. And then print my very last report here. And print. Okay, so all my year-end sales reports have printed, and your fourth step will be to close the fiscal periods. To do so, go to Microsoft Dynamics GP, Tools, Setup, Company, Fiscal Periods, and I'm going to mark all of my periods closed for the sales module. Remember, this step is optional, and click OK. Okay, so we've completed the fourth step, which is close the fiscal periods. Our fifth step will be to close the tax year. In order to do so, go to Microsoft Dynamics GP, Tools, Routines, Company, Tax, Year-End Close. I'm going to close the year and print the report. I'm going to print to screen. And then I'll save this report. And save. Okay, so we've completed the close of the tax year, and now we're going to make a post year-end closing backup. We'll log back into SQL, click on your company again, and create a backup. I'm going to remove the previous one just from this window, and I'm going to add a new backup, and this one is going to be named Post Year-End Closing Backup 2015. And I'll click OK. And OK. And OK. So now that we've completed the year-end close for receivables and sales, let's review what has been updated. Again, if you go to Cards, Sales, Summary, we can review our customers. So for Aaron, you'll see that the year-to-date now has been cleared. All of the numbers from the previous year have been moved to last year, and the life-to-date has been updated. Same goes for the finance charges. Current year is now blank. Last year is now $20. My life-to-date is $20. Okay, and then if I were to add in our smart list one of the year-to-date amounts, which I'll go Sales, Customers, And let's add a column to my customers. And let's add his year-to-date. How about high balance year-to-date? And click OK. OK. So you'll see that it is currently 0 because we just closed the year. As soon as you start entering transactions for 2016, the balances will be updated. And that is all for the year-end close of Receivables Management. Now that we've completed the year-end close for this module, if you do need further support, here at RAN Group we do offer 24/7 support, especially during year-end close time. Just a little bit more about our company. We are originated in 1996. We have 100+ local professionals to serve our clients. Our offices are located in Houston and Dallas, Texas, and we recently just became the top 1% of Microsoft partners worldwide. If you do need further assistance, you can email us at info@rangroup.com to schedule a private consultation, or call at 1-866-714-8615, and you'll be connected to our support team right away. Thank you for watching.